Everyone can draw. Everyone and everything is unique art. Sketch, portrait, piece of art, emotions, culture. God is the ultimate creator. Hi friends and followers, good evening to everyone. So it is my first YouTube channel. So I need too much learning in this channel and in this YouTube platform because I am new in this platform. So I will make art tutorial videos and art related videos and my own artwork I share here, and also I share here many types of art that helps to increase your art skills and that develop your art styles also. So I will make here from beginner and to master levels. So here you can see the portrait paintings and landscapes, figurative drawings, rapid sketches, and etc. and more things. So you all subscribe my this channel, and my name is Anandasundar Datta, and you all can follow also my Facebook page Chitra and my Instagram ID Anandasundar Datta. So in both channel I also share my daily art photos and daily my own paintings there. So you can follow me and you can see my works. Okay, so I will try to make one video in a week, and I will try to make one live video in a month. I cannot make regular videos in my channel because I have many works to do something every day. So we can all understand that what I cannot make regular videos. So I have not extra time to expense in this platform. Okay, so I will try to make one videos in a week and one live videos in a month. So please you all subscribe in this channel, in my channel, and please you on the notification bell, and please you also leave with a sweet and beautiful comment in my comment section, and I will provide you my both channels of Facebook and my Instagram channel in my description section. So you can follow these both channels, and I make a playlist for you all that you will easy to find my art videos that you want to need to see. Okay, so bye for now and bye bye.